did the Oreo go to the dentist?
Why?
Because he had to get his filling out. Hey guys, welcome back, Chef Itchy Goose. Today I'm back with another dessert. Today we're going to be making an Oreo Dirt Pie. Before I start with selecting the ingredients, what we're going to need, I have a special guest, Samaya, my friend. She's going to be helping me out making our pie today. So, I'm going to tell you what ingredients you'll need for the pie. You'll need some Cool Whip, 3 eggs, milk, some dark chocolate pudding, Godiva, Oreos, some Hershey's Hot Fudge, 1 super moist chocolate fudge cake, my Betty Crocker, and you'll need some vegetable oil, and you're gonna need a 13 by 9 inch pan.
Let's get started.
So we're gonna be making the cake first, which is a chocolate fudge cake.
Ooh.
So we're just gonna be following the ingredients off the box. So first up, pour in your cake mix.
That sounds satisfying.
Super satisfying. And then you're gonna pour in 1/4 cups of water. 1 1/4 cups of water. Alrighty. And I'm gonna add in our vegetable oil, which we're gonna need half a cup. Vegetable oil. I don't know why they call it vegetable oil if it's not made of vegetables.
Wait, what? Wait, isn't it corn?
What?
Oh.
Ooh, look at that nice solidification.
I don't
New
know
word.
if it's a liquid. Solidification.
In our Chef Itchy Girl dictionary.
Oh, okay.
We have a dictionary now.
Oh.
Alrighty. And you get to knock on the eggs.
Me?
Yep.
Oh, alright, let's hope I don't make a mess.
Let's hope. No shells. Make sure, no shells, people.
Yes.
No shells. Actually doing pretty good. Heavy I really hope you didn't get any shells. Okay,
Okay, I'm good.
we got no shells.
Do I have to
And
wash my
then-
hands now? Yep. Okay, I'll be right
So while she's going to wash her hands, I'm going to start mixing.
Mana do 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 do. Mana do do do. Mana do 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 do. Mana.
Alright, so now that we're done mixing our cake batter, Samaya's going to grease the pan for us.
Let's see this.
Oh no. Alrighty, now I'm going to pour the cake batter in.
Oh no. See the satisfaction.
Satisfaction. That goes in our dictionary. Satisfaction.
Satisfaction.
Okay, we're done. Now we're going to put this in for 22 to 28 minutes. Let's go do this. So now that our cake is done baking, we're going to go warm up our Hershey's Hot Fudge so that we can pour it on top of the cake. So we are done microwaving our hot fudge, and you're supposed to microwave it at 60 seconds, and it's supposed to be that almost watery type. So while I'm pouring it over the cake, Samaya's going to poke holes in it with a wooden spoon. So pudding. So Samaya's gonna be pouring in milk, which you're gonna need 1 cup and 3/4 of milk. So why don't you go and do that?
Ooh, that's actually really sad.
Alrighty, remember,
This video
3
is
of these. This video is about ASMR. Pull that in.
1. I feel so fancy.
Do you?
Yes.
2. And 3.
3.
Alrighty. Oh. So now you're only going to be needing 1 box of the chocolate pudding for now. So we're going to put that in with the milk.
It's so powdery.
I can't smell it. Oh, okay. Here we go. Oh my God.
It smells like chocolate in heaven.
Exactly. So we're going to pour that in. And now I'm going to mix it.
Now I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa.
We are now done making our pudding mix. And now we are going to put it onto our cake.
You sound like it was like
Shakespeare.
you now have to put it on your cake. Now, I shall put it in the refrigerator. It's cool.
Swirling it.
It's kind of like a dance.
We put that in our dictionary. Call it swaying it.
Swaying it.
Swaying it.
It looks like a big blob of families, chocolate families.
Alrighty. Now we're going to refrigerate this for 15 minutes. So now while that's cooling, we're going to do a second batch of pudding. So remember, same cups, measurements, same pudding.
To open it. Excuse me. You have to wash my hands.
So I'll mix while you do that. Okay.
Keep on hoping with the cake by the ocean. Smile for me, baby. I'll be pretty, you'll be Naomi. Let's lose our minds.
So while our pudding is cooling, which reminder, cool it for 5 minutes, we're gonna crush these Oreos.
Easy come, easy go, will you let me go?
Alrighty. So our pudding is cool, and now we're gonna be adding 1 cup of Cool Whip. Ooh, satisfaction.
Ooh.
Satisfaction guaranteed.
I told you this video was all about Sasuke. Oh well, she did.
Satisfaction.
It looks like fluffy glue. Ooh, shaving for you.
Okay. And now we're gonna add half of the crushed Oreos into our mix.
Cookie mix.
Smell it.
Come on. It's how yeah, okay.
Alright, so we added our Cool Whip and our Oreos. And now we're gonna see who gets to mix it. So rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Wait. 3 out of 3.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, this is the last one.
Yes!
No, wait. I won because I got.
Well, let me do one more.
Okay.
Yes! So she won. Wait.
Me too. I'm not gonna brag.
Sadness.
Alright, let's start mixing it.
Think it's time we stop, children, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
So our cake is done cooling and we're gonna put our stuff on. So I'm gonna put on our little whipped topping on the cake. It looks like a lunch lady just serving your food angrily like.
Here's your.
Now I'm gonna spread our whipped topping.
Whipped topping.
Oh my gosh, this is a lot that is just gonna go over the pan. But this is good because we love it. Yes? Do we?
Yes.
Love it. We love it like our family. But we don't live with it forever.
Yes.
We eat it.
But if you don't eat it all in a week, it goes down. And you have to throw it out.
So Maya is gonna be drizzling on our Oreo.
Let's get sorted.
Make sure to wash your hands when you're drizzling the Oreos.
Yes, because you don't want to get all your germs.
Yo, germs.
This might take a while.
So,
This might take a while.
do what you gotta do.
Do what you gotta do. You gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, that's just weird, okay? That's just weird.
Now I'm gonna pour on the hot fudge while singing some cringy rock songs. Gone and another one gone, another one bites at us, and another one gone, and another one gone. Our cake is all done. I'm so excited. So we have our usual co-taste tester team here, Ali and Mia, and we have a special co-taste tester with us, Gabby, which is Samaya's sister.
We're twins
for joining
today.
us. And let's get taste testing, guys. I'm so excited.
Wait,
Wait, you ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Texture's good. Texture's good. Don't
This
forget
is
about
so
the
good.
texture. The texture's good.
I love chocolate.
Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you, Gabby and Samaya, for joining us today. This was great. This is a special video. Make sure to watch the previous videos if you haven't. Subscribe, slap that like button. Follow me on Instagram at chef_yeah_grill.
Can I have something? Can I
Sure.
tell you something?
So,
Bye.
soon
Adios. Oh, sorry.
Soon I'm going to be opening a bakery, so if you want to check that out, it's not really finished yet, but maybe I'll let you guys know.
She'll let you guys know.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.